10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff of Falcon 9.
Vehicles pitching downrange.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
We are T plus 40 seconds into flight and Falcon 9 has lifted off. Falcon 9 is now throttling.
Telemetry nominal.
Falcon 9 is throttling down its engines in preparation for max Q, or the highest amount of aerodynamic pressures that the vehicle will see on ascent. We throttle down the engines to slow the vehicle down a bit.
Max Q.
And there's that call out that we've passed through max Q. Next up, we have 6 events coming up in quick succession. That will be MECO, stage separation, stage 1 flip, SES-1, the boost back burn on the first stage starting up, as well as fairing deploy.
Backfill has started.
MECO is main engine cutoff. That's where we shut down all 9 of those engines that you can see there lit up on your screen. That will help slow the stage down to prepare for stage separation. Stage 1 then will begin a flip maneuver and start up its boost back burn and allow it to head back down to land, while the second stage continues with SES-1, or second stage engine start 1. That's where we ignite that MVAC engine, and then we should also hear a call out for fairing deploy. Again, all of those events coming up here.
Vehicle is on a nominal trajectory.
In about 10 seconds or so. MECO, stage separation, stage 1 flip, SES-1, boost back burn, as well as fairing deploy.
Main engine cutoff.
Stage separation confirmed.
MVAC ignition.
Stage 1 boost back burn. Fairing separation confirmed.
And great news, we had all of those events. That was MECO stage separation. The first stage began its flip as well as its boost back burn. And the MVAC engine has ignited on the second stage, as well as we heard confirmation of fairing deploy. As a reminder, at the request of our customer, we won't be sharing any further views of the second stage, and we will be following stage 1 from this point forward.
Stage 1 boost back shutdown.
And with that call out, we've had the boost back burn conclude. At T plus 3 minutes and 45 seconds into launch, we've so far completed 1 of 3 burns that the first stage will need to complete in order to make its way back to a land landing today. The second burn coming up will be the entry burn, and that's where we'll ignite 3 of the Merlin N1D engines to help slow the stage down as it re-enters the upper parts of the Earth's atmosphere. That entry burn is coming up in just a couple of minutes. And then the third and final burn for the booster today will be the landing burn, and that will be a single.
Countdown at 1. First motion time was 13:11:00 Zulu.
That will be a single engine burn, and that helps slow down the vehicle just as it touches down for landing.
Vehicles are on a nominal trajectory.
We are just under a minute and 20 seconds away from the entry burn on the first stage. Now what you're seeing on your screen is a view of mission control, but the first stage is indeed making its way back to land to attempt to land at landing zone 4 today. And in order to land back at land, we do need 3 burns for the first stage. The boost back burn has concluded. And coming up in about 20 seconds or so will be the entry burn. That burn lasts just under 15 seconds long, and again helps to slow the vehicle down as it enters back into the Earth's atmosphere.
Stage 1 entry burn.
And there we heard that call out, and you can see on your screen that the engines has reignited on the first stage vehicle. Again, this is just about a 15-second burn.
Stage 1 entry shutdown.
Stage 1 FTS is saved.
And as you heard and saw, the entry burn is now complete. Next up will be the last and final burn for the first stage vehicle. That will be the landing burn, and that's the center E9 engine reigniting just before the vehicle touches down. Again, we are scheduled to land on landing zone 4 today. And landing zone 4 is not too
Stage
far
1
away.
transonic.
Not too far away from our launch site.
Stage 1 landing burn.
And there's that call out for the landing burn, and you can see on your screen that the single engine has ignited. Let's watch as Falcon 9 touches down.
Stage 2 FTS is saved.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing is confirmed.
And what an excellent view there of Falcon 9 touching down on landing zone 4. This marks our 200